So what we got here is a BMW 4 Series 2016 Grand Coupe. It is now installed with the Meta Immobiliser system. So if you do not have the tags with you, the system will not allow the vehicle to start. So I got the keys. So if a thief copies or clones your key, as you can see, the vehicle will not start. It is fully immobilized. Okay, so now I got the tag with me. So this is the tag you need. Without this tag, the vehicle will not start. So I got the tag now, and there you go. So this is an insurance approved system. If you want this installed on your BMW, see the link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel.